Good evening, all of you.
Uh, First of all, welcome, Manish. You have joined us again after a long time. First of all, you give your short introduction to all of you. What do you do?
Uh, Thank you, sir. Thank you, all of you. Uh, this side Manish Pandey, and I do the job in private sector, and my company is called Kubota, and I lived here for last 2 years. I have joined this institute for last year, and I have learned a lot of things because that time I'm not able to speak English properly. But right now I'm not good, but I think I can speak. So, but for last year I have learned a lot of things. So I did not continuously practice. That's why I'm not able to speak properly. So I decided that last year has been gone, next year is coming. So I decided that I will join this institute again, and I will keep practice more and more because I understand the importance of English because in this era everyone want to speak in English because in India everything's happens, everything's communication in English. So this is a basic one platform to speak to everyone. Uh, Basically, everyone comes from different place, different country. So this is only one things that communicate to each other like a single platform. So I have decided here, and this is my first podcast where I was little nervous uh, on their seat. I was just thinking you all are speaking here, but I decided that that girls came here, so I will came here because thank you. She has a lot of confidence in this age. I really appreciate you. Thank you. This is more.
Okay, that's great. I have a question for you as you have become an assistant manager.
Yes.
I just want to know how do you see the role of manager in the company?
So, in the company as a manager, uh, I think have to take care all the employees and decide how to create the environment in company. And I feel that a lot of employees to work under my and lot of supervisors, and I think there are 70 members of teams do their work in my under. So I know about my profiles. I belong from supply chain, so I understand how to work the supply chains and logistic. But and I also training to employees week in 2 times, 3 times because if I believe that if I will learn there some things what I know, so these things will create good things in their life, and they will motivated, and they will try to better jobs in industry. So as a manager, become as a leader, not a boss, because boss will just focus on work, company portfolio. So leader, as a leader perspective, leader focus on your team health, team environment. Uh, Leaders wants to grow everyone life, everyone positive sense. So I think, sir, as a manager, become leadership, not a boss.
Okay. So are you a leader or boss right now?
So I am a leader, and I also make a leader in future because leadership grow in life.
Okay, if I ask you honestly, how many people have you helped till now? You have really transformed
Yes.
their life. You have helped them to achieve something better.
Uh, Sir, I think I always want to help others because it's my. I also mention my resume because I make happy to help others. Because if I help to others, I help other different type. Like if I educate to, yeah, if I suggest to anyone, that is a help things.
But do you not think sometimes being emotional in the company is dishonest to the company? Sometimes you are helping someone but he she doesn't deserve, but you are helping as a humankind. But somewhere it is dishonest to the company and loss to the company.
Yes, sir, I agree with this point because uh, I always help to others, sir. Because I believe that I will do, I will not arrogance to others. I will just support them. I will just guide them. If my manager will in meeting, my manager, if I will not meet the target, I will not perform. So my manager attend to meeting, and my manager react like a boss. They scold me कि, why this not happening good, you are not meeting the target. And I replied, but this time, but sir, what I felt in meeting, I did not show on my team because my team is working. So understand that कि, I have to make a process to resolve this issue. If I will scold them, so they will not perform, sir. They will.
Okay, they will talk with me.
So I understand like I think we will not scold to workers because
We will try to guide.
yes, sir, we will try to guide because they are also working, sir. They do their job properly.
Okay, I have last question for you. What's your view about Escorts company? How do you see? What do you want to say about this company?
Company profile.
Means how is the company?
Okay. Basically, sir, this is a good company. There are many platforms like agri, construction, and railway. So, in Faridabad, there is a big company, and recently, for last 3 years, MNC company has merged. Like earlier, company name is Escorta, but right now, company name is Escort Toyota Limited. So, this is a MNC company right now, and this company have a good environment due to MNC because actually Kubota is a Japanese company, so Japanese has a more disciplines and etiquette manners. So right now, sir, it's a good. Earlier there is a Desi company, but right now good company, and if
Status of company is far better.
yes, sir, and right now company is growing continuously, and company EBITDA is also growing. And if anyone will get the opportunity in this company, definitely they can join, sir, because there are a lot of opportunity and lot of. Recently, on 9 January, I have received a award, sir, local manager. That is a motivation. So this is
Okay,
right
there
now,
is
sir.
scope and growth in this.
Yes, 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 right.
Well, clap for Manish.